We're at the dawn of a new age, the age of AI, artificial intelligence. Please define.
AI is a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers.
Ever wonder where the future of AI is headed? It's not just about bigger models or more data. Let's dive deep as we unravel the potential of agents and uncover the masterful art behind NExT-GPT, a breakthrough in multimodal AI. An open source project called AgentGPT enables users to develop autonomous AI agents based on GPT-4. These agents can operate independently, create their code, and carry out different internet jobs. The platform is becoming more and more well-liked for its user-friendly layout, adaptability choices, and potential uses in everything from chatbots to workflow automation. Since AgentGPT is open source, developers are free to contribute and alter it as necessary. Hence, users can design personalized chatbots and give their AI agent a name and objective. By utilizing GPT-4, AgentGPT is able to function independently, create its own code, and even debug and develop itself. Additionally, it makes AI available to a wider audience without requiring substantial programming skills with its browser-based no-code solution. Moreover, it can be used for automation, Discord bots, AutoGPT apps, and other things outside chatbots. AgentGPT is a browser-based tool that may be used in a variety of contexts and is compatible with current web browsers. It can be run locally using Docker and Node.js. AgentGPT, which is still in testing, was created utilizing the NEXT.js on ping.gg stack. The platform builds task lists and repeatedly executes them using big language models. In addition, it completes duties and assesses sub-actions to successfully address the user's query. One of the main advantages of AgentGPT is that users may run the platform straight from within their browser and don't need to know how to code in order to use the model. Based on GPT-4 and GPT-3 LLM, AgentGPT allows users to export their agent's outputs to a variety of forms, including PDFs, pictures, and text. Viewers can save and share the agent with others. Although the architecture of AgentGPT enables the deployment of LLMs, the platform's developers are also planning to include capabilities like local and long-term memory storage, which will probably enhance context preservation and subsequent decision-making. They're also developing features like user authentication and online browsing. Aren't you excited by the offers that AgentGPT can provide? Now let's explore some of the use cases of AgentGPT. The adaptable and dynamic nature of AgentGPT enables a diverse range of applications. Debugging code, producing code snippets, and offering coding sources are all examples of code assistance. It enables us to produce content based on research, such as creating blog entries, articles, study aids, and summaries. Moreover, it helps us in automating the creation of emails, message drafts, and other kinds of communication. Remember the time when you struggled to create mail for your job application? No, it's going to be easy with the new AgentGPT. They provide us with marketing and advertising tasks that include concepts, writing ad material, and helping with SEO tactics. Are you a person struggling with your finances and don't know how to split your salary to pay your monthly EMI? Then the AgentGPT is here for the rescue, making personal financial plans, offering financial management assistance, and providing budgeting guidance. Who do you think might win if there is a competition between AutoGPT and AgentGPT? Although no such studies have been conducted, it would be simple to compare the two players on important operational variables like reaction time, accuracy, and throughput. AutoGPT offers a more sophisticated system that primarily appeals to developers with significant coding knowledge, despite the fact that accessibility is a problem there. However, similarly to AutoGPT, AgentGPT has drawbacks like high processing costs and a propensity for getting trapped in a loop while attempting to solve a particular problem. The new agent is the latest in a long line of fresh products that have emerged in the AI industry recently. So which GPT model are you going to use to make your tasks easier? Agents must be able to plan and think back on their past experiences, in addition to acting and responding in a manner that is compatible with human behavior. The model has a novel architecture that integrates memory and retrieval, reflecting, planning, and reacting. Have been proposed to do this. Memory and retrieval, reflection, planning, and reacting are the four parts of the architecture. Hence, to enable the generative agents to act in a more human-like manner, each component is crucial. Information about the agent's experiences and environment is stored and retrieved through memory and retrieval. As the agent interacts with its surroundings, events are continuously added to their memory, creating a stream in the agent. Here, the retrieval process is in charge of picking the memory stream's most pertinent events. Hence, the model can remember the type of food that you order during a particular situation and will learn based on this memory. The next time the same situation arrives, it helps us with the same food recommendation. Have you heard of multi-agent systems, where more than one agent works together to complete a task? Multiple decision-making agents work together in a common environment to accomplish shared or competing goals in a multi-agent system. A wide range of technical issues are covered by MAS research, including how to create MAS that encourage specific agent behaviors, how to create algorithms that allow one or more agents to accomplish specific goals in a MAS, how information is shared and spread among agents, and how norms, conventions, and roles may develop in MAS. The use of MAS techniques can be used for a wide range of applications such as automated tutoring, multi-robot factories, automated trading, commercial gaming, and autonomous driving. They can do more complicated tasks and are more scalable. Additionally, they are stronger and can withstand individual agents' failure. Multi-agent systems nevertheless have a number of drawbacks despite their benefits. First, a multi-agent system might be difficult to build and manage. Despite being a strong and flexible platform, AgentGPT has several drawbacks that users should be aware of. Although this capability is constantly being developed, AgentGPT cannot currently generate outputs in specific ways. Additionally, due to restrictions on API usage and associated infrastructure costs, there are limits on how much the agent can run. Users might come across user constraints, but solutions that include hosting AgentGPT locally or purchasing a pro package can get around these restrictions. Imagine the situation where you have to stop working with AgentGPT due to an emergency. However, when you come back to resume your work, you find it difficult, as it is one of the limitations. Resuming a prior run is not yet available because each agent run is autonomous. However, this functionality is planned for future versions. Users of AgentGPT's free tier use GPT 3.5, whereas pro users have access to GPT 4, which may have an impact on the agent's functionality and performance. Have you heard of the NExT-GPT model? Researchers from Tsinghua University and the National University of Singapore created NExT-GPT. As an any-to-any system, NExT-GPT may accept inputs in several formats and send responses in the form of video, audio, images, and text responses, depending on the required output. Hence, this implies that you can input text prompts for NExT-GPT to process into videos, or input images for NExT-GPT to process into audio outputs. Over the past year, many GPT substitutes and competitors have appeared, but NExT-GPT is one of the few LLMs that we've seen so far that can equal the text-based output of ChatGPT while also delivering results above what OpenAI's well-known chatbot can currently do. Users of NExT-GPT can input text or upload image, video, and audio files using the chat-based interface. The model can comprehend the input's content and respond to inquiries about it, as well as produce text, images, videos, and audio in response to user requests. Additionally, the system is built on trainable neural network layers in between open source, pre-trained encoders, and decoders like Vicuna and Stable Diffusion. The NExT team developed a method called modality-switching instruction tuning, MOS-IT, to train those layers. Multimodal LLMs may need a lot of data to function well, which reduces their sampling efficiency compared to other AI models. During training, it might not be easy to align data from many modalities. Moreover, a lack of comprehensive end-to-end training in error propagation can severely limit a system's ability to perceive information and generate multimodal content. The researchers at NEXT++, the School of Computing and US, created NExT-GPT to address these problems. In order to process input data, their technique modifies the current open source LLM as the core. After projection, the created multimodal signals are sent to several encoders with precise instructions, and then the content is produced in the appropriate modalities since it is more economical to employ pre-trained high-performance encoders and decoders like Q-Former, ImageBind, and cutting-edge latent diffusion models rather than creating their models from scratch. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video enlightening. Share your thoughts on agents and NExT-GPT in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the incredible world of AI's future. See you soon!